If high energy costs and high absence rates due to illness rates have been upsetting you lately, there may be a reason. A slow rolling shutter wastes thermal energy while increasing the risk of your employees catching a cold. Put an end to this situation. The insulated door HS7030PU from Hormann opens as fast as lightning, giving cold temperatures and drafts practically no chance. The non-contact roll-up technology offers a speed of 2.5 meters per second. At the same time, the sections are pulled into the spiral support bracket without wear. The integrated light grille increases the door's safety. The polyurethane foam door sections ensure excellent thermal insulation values. The insulated door is optionally available with thermally insulating and extremely robust Duratec glazing. It can be so easy to enjoy lower energy costs and reduced absences. With HS7030PU, the quick insulated door from Hormann.